UFO spaceman. Ascension to fifth dimension. And here we are, oh my. We're out in a blizzard. And I'm gonna show you what the blizzard is. Look at that. Listen. The wind's not going as strong as it was earlier. But man, when the wind was blowing, you could hear it. It's definitely a whiteout. A blizzard, okay? This is a blizzard in Omaha, Nebraska with UFO spaceman, Ascension to fifth dimension, showing you the depth of the snow. Okay, in Omaha, Nebraska, snow is healing. Research and study how snow heals the planet. UFO spaceman, Ascension to fifth dimension.